So I went and ordered the Anker 575 USB-C docking station 13-in-1. Arrived this morning. Very excited. Ordered it last night on Amazon and it was here front door by before 8 a.m.
The unveiling is about to begin.
So right off the bat, the packaging for this is really good quality packaging. There are certain products that you've purchased where just the box itself is not flimsy. This is a nice solid box, wrapped nicely in plastic. The print is good. When the packaging is this good, it always makes me excited that the product itself is going to be good as well. So as I grabbed the dock out of the box, right away you could tell, great design, very sleek, great color, just great contour to it, nice and solid piece of technology here. I'm impressed. I love the way it looks and feels. Also included is the welcome guide. So once we get up underneath packaging here, we have the power brick. Nice big power brick. It's able to deliver 85 watts of power to the laptop via the USB-C connection. On the front of the device, we do have a nice large power button, easy to access. We have a micro SD card and SD card slot. For those of us that have devices with those cards, that's great. We can make easy transfers to our laptop. We have audio in, out, and two USB-C connections. The one on the bottom is able to deliver 18 watts of power. I've been using that to charge my cell phone. Works wonderful, love it. We also do have a USB-A port in the front, which is again good to have. Back of the device, we have two USB-A data ports. We have two HDMI 2.0. We have a display port. All of those are capable of 4K at 60 Hertz. We have the gigabit Ethernet connection. We have the USB-C connect to host at 85 watt max charging. It's plenty sufficient for what I'm doing. I have a Asus Creator laptop and powers it just fine. Also your DC in connection is here, and again, this is one of those things, your DC connection, nice tight solid connection. Once you get that connected, not going to need to worry about that wiggling, coming loose or coming out. Nice solid connection. So here she is installed. Looking forward to using it. Easy installation, worked without any hitches. Very easy. I'm going to go ahead and start using it. I switch between two laptops. I have a work laptop and personal laptop, both that have the USB-C connections. Maybe I'll make another video, let you guys know how it's working out. Give us a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see that other video. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.